Good morning. Welcome to the police station. How can I help you today? Please take a seat.
Hello. I have a big problem. I feel very upset.
I understand, Sophia. Take a deep breath. My name is Michael. I am here to help you with the report. Can you tell me your full name, please?
My name is Sophia. Sofia. My last name is Miller.
Thank you, Miss Miller. Now, Sophia, what is the specific problem you need to report today?
My phone. My mobile phone is stolen. I think someone took it from me just now.
Oh, I am very sorry to hear that. That is very stressful. When did this happen, exactly?
About 15 minutes ago, I was walking and then I noticed it was gone when I reached the station.
I see. Can you tell me the exact location where you think the theft occurred? Where were you walking?
I was walking near Big Park. You know, the big park with the fountain in the center. I was on Main Street, close to the park entrance on the east side.
Okay, Main Street, near the east entrance of Big Park. Was it stolen from your hand or perhaps from an open bag?
From my coat pocket. I remember I checked it just before I entered the park to check the time. It was in my deep coat pocket. When I stopped to come here, I reached for it and it was not there.
So it was likely taken while you were walking on Main Street. Did you feel anything? A bump, a hand near your pocket?
No, not really. Maybe a slight touch, but I thought it was just a person passing me. He was very fast.
I understand. Did you see the person who might have taken it? Can you give me a description of this person? A man, a woman, tall or short?
I think it was a man. He was walking just behind me for a short time. He was tall, taller than you, maybe. He was thin, not a big person.
Tall and thin. Good detail. What about clothing? Anything at all memorable? Shirt color, pants, shoes?
His shirt was dark blue or black. It was just a simple t-shirt. He had a cap, a dark baseball cap pulled down low. I could not see his face well because of the cap and the sunlight.
A dark cap and dark shirt. Did he say anything to you, Sophia? Did he ask for help or try to distract you?
No words at all. He just moved past me very quickly and then he was gone in the crowd. It was very quick, like a shadow.
Very quick. I will record all of this. Now, let's talk about the phone itself. What kind of phone was it?
It is an iPhone. It is the newest one, the iPhone 15. It is the black color, very sleek.
A black iPhone 15. Do you know the phone number associated with the device? This is very important for the report.
Yes, I know that. I memorized it. The number is 077-123-4567. I use it every day.
077 123 4567. Got it. Now the most important technical detail for blocking the phone, the IMEI number. This is a unique serial number for the hardware. Do you have this number written down somewhere, perhaps on the original box?
Oh, the IMEI? No, Officer Michael, I do not have the box here. I threw the box away last week because I needed the space. I am so sorry. I did not think about this.
Please, do not worry about it. It happens often. We will note that you do not have it now. You must call your mobile provider. Who is your provider, by the way? Vodafone, Orange, T-Mobile?
My provider is Global Connect.
Thank you. You must call Global Connect right after you leave here and ask them for the IMEI number. Tell them you need to report the phone stolen so they can blacklist it immediately. This stops the thief from using it on any network here.
Blacklist. Yes, I remember you said that. I will call them first thing. What about my data, my photos and contacts? Are they gone forever?
We certainly hope not. Most modern phones back up data to the cloud, like iCloud for iPhones. Do you use the automatic backup feature?
I think so. I pay extra for more storage, so the photos of my children should be safe there?
Very likely, yes. Once you block the phone, you can sign into your Apple ID on a new device, and your data should restore. We need the IMEI for the official report for insurance purposes, and so we can track it if it is ever connected to a known network activity. Let's go back to the description of the man. Was he carrying anything else? A bag? A backpack?
No bag. His hands looked empty when he passed me. He was just wearing casual clothes, maybe jeans. Nothing stood out, which is why I am worried nobody else saw him.
That is often the case with pickpockets. They try to blend in. Did you notice any distinctive features? A scar? Tattoos? Anything on his hands?
I did not see his hands clearly, but I remember one small thing about his shoes. They were white sneakers, but the soles looked dirty, very gray. It was strange because the rest of him was dark.
White, dirty soles on sneakers. That is a good observation, Sophia. Sometimes those small details are what police dogs or later camera analysis pick up on. Now, thinking about witnesses, were there any other people very close to you on Main Street?
There was an old man sitting on a bench reading a newspaper quite near the spot where I think it happened. He was sitting under the big oak tree.
An old man on a bench. Did you speak to him, or could he have seen the incident?
I did not speak to him. I walked past the bench. He did not look up. I do not know if he saw, but maybe he is a witness.
We will check the area for any public or business cameras, and if we can identify the man on the bench, we will ask him. Did you lose anything else besides the phone? Your keys, your purse, or ID cards?
No, thankfully. My purse is safe. It was in my left pocket, and the phone was in my right. I only seem to have lost the phone. I feel quite vulnerable now without it.
I completely understand. It is a violation of privacy. I'm now filling out the official police report form. I need to confirm your current address for the paperwork. Can you read your current residential address for the record, please?
Yes, it is 45 Maple Avenue, apartment 2B. The postcode is AB1 2CD.
45 Maple Avenue, apartment 2B, AB1 2CD. Thank you for confirming that. I am inputting all the details: time, location, description, tall, thin man, dark clothes, dark cap, white, dirty sneakers, items stolen, black iPhone 15, phone number 077-123-4567, and the fact that you do not have the IMEI yet. Here is the printed copy of the initial report. You will see a unique report reference number at the top. Please keep this paper safe. If the phone is found, or if we contact you with news, this number is how you reference your case.
A reference number. Okay, I will put this in my handbag right now. Thank you, Officer Michael. What is the next step for me? Will you start searching for the man right away?
Yes, an alert will be placed in our system. We will review any local CCTV footage we can access legally in the next 24 hours. Your most urgent task remains. Call Global Connect now to blacklist the phone using the IMEI they give you. This is the best way to protect your information and reduce the device's value to the thief.
Global Connect first, then wait for your call or check the police station again?
If we find anything significant, we will contact you at the number we have on file, which is your landline, correct?
Yes, my home phone is 020-8754-3211.
Perfect. I have noted that. We will keep you updated if we have any progress. Losing personal items is never easy, but you have done everything correctly by reporting it immediately.
I hope you can find him. I really need those photos back. Thank you for being so patient with all my questions. I feel a little calmer now that this report has started.
It is my job to be patient, Sophia. We take theft seriously. Please take care of yourself. If you remember anything else, a specific word he might have muttered, or the face of the man on the bench, please call the station and ask for me, referencing this report number.
I will. Thank you again, Michael. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Sophia. We will be in touch.